How to install shell plate. Install the shell plate to the Auto Breech Lock Pro. Remove the lock ring eliminator from station number 4. Slide up index rod to remove. Remove case ejector. Raise carrier to the mid-stroke position and install the shell plate. Ensure the shell plate number faces up. Tighten clockwise with a 1/4 inch hex head wrench. With the carrier at the bottom of the stroke, handle up, install the case ejector. Install the index rod. Reinstall lock ring eliminator into position 4. Insert a case and rotate through each position, pushing the case retainer against the case rim in each position.